back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping, showing you the process that we go through for our paver patio installation. Anytime you put in a paver, it's necessary that not only that you get the grade right, but that you take the time to meticulously take your fine sand, which we call paver sand, and grade the landscape out. As you can see, we use rods in order to ensure that we're on a level in a stable area, but then also to ensure that we give the customer the most level area possible before we install our pavers. And that's what we got going on right now. We're truly getting this property ready for our custom 250 square feet paver patio installation. And this just gives you a bird's eye view of what takes place anytime we get ready to give our customer a landscape transformation. It says that we prepare the area just as what you see right now, from turning it into that which was once dirt to that which is going to look absolutely good, making sure that you understand there's a reason why we become the highest rated landscaping companies around. It's simply because we focus on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could ever been expected. And that's what's taking place right now today. Bringing in this beautiful custom paver patio is going to also complement the design that we did less than a year ago by bringing in this beautiful cobblestone and beautiful decorative gravel installation. But we didn't stop there. We also gave this customer a backyard transformation to deal with the landscape drainage. And so when you look at this landscape, you can see the custom dry creek bed design allow for us to be able to give this customer an additional outdoor sitting space while also being able to deal with the water that was moving in on their landscape, and doing so in an exceptional fashion. Now that water is being able to be appropriated through the dry creek bed, and it's now being taken to the back side of the landscape where it's being slowed down and appropriated, and done so in the most effective way. And that's just what we do right here at Brooks Landscaping. Now lastly, we're also going to be putting in another 10 by 10 area right here that's going to allow for the customer to be able to have an additional outdoor sitting space. That of what you see right here is now going to be turned into that of what you just seen, bringing in our crush and run, using our paver sand, and providing this customer with an amazing outdoor landscape transformation. Now as you see this project take place, you're going to know without a shadow of a doubt that it's the way in which we come up with these designs that truly make them last a lifetime. It's not just the hardscapes, it's the way in which we use the hardscapes that allow for this customer to be able to have the outdoor living experience that they're looking for. And in this case, it's truly being able to have an area that they can entertain friends, family, and guests, while also being able to take care of the water that would have been able to stand up against their foundation. And so these are just some of the ways in which we continue to give our customers back their landscape in an exceptional fashion. And it's all being brought to you exclusively by the Dirt Doctor and the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good